Hello everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use your Atome Card in Jollibee. So first step is we have the in-store or the physical Jollibee branch. So first is you just have to present your Atome Card or the Mastercard at the counter, and then just tap on the pay on their contactless enabled POS terminal. And then if tap isn't supported, you can insert the card and choose savings or credit as prompted. And then just enter your 4-digit PIN to confirm the transaction. Next is the online or application orders like Foodpanda or the Jollibee application and etc. So first is you just have to go to the pay by card at the checkout and then pick the Mastercard, which is like this one. And then just enter your Atome card details like number, expiry date, and the CVV. And then just confirm using your OTP sent via SMS or application. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!